Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Simaya. So guys, today I will tell you that if you are doing nothing, you are just sitting idle, but also you can learn English, you can improve your English. So I will tell you today some tips what I followed in my past and in present time what I follow. So I will tell you guys, it may help you, I think. So guys, suppose that just you are sitting on your bed, like now I'm on the bed. So I think I should make this type of video, so that's why I started making this type of video. So guys, just suppose that you are sitting on the bed. You have to think around you, like here is this, here is that. Suppose that if you want to say that मैं बेड पर बैठी हूँ, मैं बेड पर बैठी हूँ, then you try to translate in English, like मच्छर काट रहे हैं एंड मुझे मच्छरदानी लगाना चाहिए था, और मुझे चादर ओढ़ लेना चाहिए, या मैं चादर ओढ़ लूँ, और बेड को मतलब तैयार रखो, रेडी करो, जो भी मीन्स एनी थिंग यू look here and there around you, then you try to translate in English. Guys, if you are not able to translate that in English, then you search on Google. You search can in any platform, but you have to translate that, and you have to translate that, and after translating, you repeat in your mind again and again. If you are not able to repeating in your mind, then you have to take pen and copy, and you have to write down that sentences on your copy, and then after that you have to repeat, you have to say that that sentence again and again. I'm not saying that you say that sentences without looking in copy. You have to look in copy, you read in copy, then after that you have to say that sentences again and again. So guys, I think it will be work, because I followed and I follow in present time. So that's why I'm saying about me to you guys. You when you are like when you means you are doing anything, like you are going anywhere, you are in bus, you are doing something, you are in kitchen, you are on your bed, you have to look here and there around you, how to call this is and how to call this and that. If I want to say this in English, and then you try to translate in English. If you are in kitchen, if you are anywhere, but you have to try translate, means everything you have to search. If I want to say this, then how can I say this? Then like if you are in kitchen, then you have to think, means मैं खाना निकाल रही हूँ, then how to translate in English. मैं सब्जी बना रही हूँ, then how to translate in English. And if you are मैं मतलब अगर मैं बर्तन धो रही हूँ, then how can I translate in English? If you are able to translate, then just then you have to translate in English. If you are not able to, then go Google and search. After searching, then you have to say that sentences again and again, guys. So I think you may like my video. So if you like my video, then like, subscribe and share. See you in the next video. Bye bye, take care.